because you will not want to miss this. It's Tornado Tag Rules. Up next, we have a team led by one of our breakout talents in a match that will be etched in the record books.
Whoa, this could end up being nominated for a Slammy.
Such emotion here.
Yeah, what's going to happen?
And we are going to start this early.
I knew they couldn't wait, Cole.
This is a tornado-style tag team matchup. Like a tornado, this one's going to be fast and furious.
Well, a team is only as strong as its weakest link, and time will tell who's the weak link here tonight.
Hide the women and children. The tornado tag match is not for the faint of heart.
But hey, there hasn't been a time that I've sat in this chair and not been excited. So, I guess I'm a little biased.
He's on the defensive here. The tornado tag team atmosphere appears to be getting the best of him here.
And it looks to me like neither of these guys are showing signs of pulling away here.
And on top of that, John, these two guys couldn't be any more evenly matched at this point.
Just writhing in agony. He's sending a message to the entire WWE locker room here. The Ultimate Warrior!
The strength of the Warrior Nation!
The Warrior's giving the sign. Listen to
Very, very painful hold here. What's he gonna do? Hey, hoping to get out of here early.
There's not a person in this arena who thought that was it for him.
No, this guy's too strong. This guy's too powerful. Camel clutch. He needs to figure out a way to get to his face and break the hold.
You don't see that move every day.
Dean Ambrose showing signs of life.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. And a big boot with authority.
He's having a seriously hard time getting back to his feet after that.
And Dean Ambrose manages reverse out of that one.
Oh, they couldn't find a home for that one.
Well, it certainly wasn't due to a lack of trying, Michael.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
He's pulling out all the stops tonight. Oh, wait, nice reversal.
Now back to the ring. The Ultimate Warrior!
The strength of the Warrior Nation!
Uh-oh, the back of the head just bounced off the mat with that slam. That stop might have only lasted a second, but it's going to be felt. My God, his body's been through hell, and his ribs have bore the brunt of the attack.
And I hope we can get a doctor out here as a precaution. Damaged ribs like that can make it hard to breathe.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. And that's why the adage holds true. My God, his body's been through hell, and his ribs have... Dean Ambrose is gone.
Whoa, really? I didn't see that coming. Oh, look out. We're taking this thing to the floor.
Yeah, and it's real dangerous out here. Look out. Dean Ambrose is not someone to sleep on. Man, they got him good. Nice strike. That'll send a message to your adversary, all right.
Right, and the message reads P-A-I-N.
I'd say that's more embarrassing than anything else. Ken, with your history in the ring, what would you do against a man like Dean Ambrose? It's anybody's guess, I know, but what do you expect from him here?
Well, we have plenty of match left, or we should have plenty of match left.
I don't want to overstate his credentials, but he does have a set of skills that should serve him well in this match.
At this point, you think he'd have that move well scouted. A knockdown, drag-out brawl, complete with a big stomp.
And these guys are throwing bombs. They're pulling out all the stops.
Dean Ambrose is scaling the ropes.
Careful what you wish for. It can get real ugly outside the ring.
And these guys are real ugly. Oh, jeez. That'll send your insides scrambling all over the place.
No kidding. This guy's a mess.
And he's heading back in.
I can't blame him.
I don't know if we've seen that from him before. I mean, it's definitely a first tonight.
This is great. This guy will try anything. What? He's still not through?
I don't think so. He's stumbling some now. He doesn't want to let this match get...
Submission being applied. Attacking the legs with that figure four.
This is a wreck.
Hey! And he fights out of it. He breaks the hold.
Wow, I cannot believe Dean Ambrose got out of that one. Oh, man, what a shot. Oh, look at the emotion. Boy, he just got laid out.
Wow, that was a wild strike. Talk about missing the target.
Yeah, it looked like it was completely out of desperation.
I like what I'm seeing here from Dean Ambrose.
Ultimate Warrior gets out of trouble, and quickly.
He's displaying classic offense here.
Yeah, and that's when he's the most dangerous. If he keeps up this pace, this can turn real ugly real fast.
Dean Ambrose can go stride for stride with any superstar in WWE, no matter how big or small. Ambrose launches a frenzied assault on opponents that combines brawling, air assaults, and submissions.
Well, Michael, what makes the attacks you mentioned even more deadly for an opponent is that Dean Ambrose is one of the most unconventional superstars we've ever seen. No one knows what he's going to throw at any opponent next. I'm not sure if he knows where he is right now. Really pushing his opponent to the limit here. Hey, Cole, this could do it.
I think so. He's delivering an old-fashioned butt kicking right here.
A textbook reversal. Can he follow up?
Whoa! He's measuring. When this guy's on, look out. Dean Ambrose's range of skills certainly venture into the unusual, but the attacks and strategies helped Ambrose become the longest reigning
Nowhere to go.
With this kind of attack, you have to wonder just how much longer they can compete in this match.
Yeah, I completely agree. The way things are going in there, I'd say not much longer. My gosh, this is a beating.
And this match is over for that superstar.
Oh, man, he's going off here. I don't know if this is by design or if he just lost his mind.
Yeah, I think he's stuck on the repeat button. Dean Ambrose making his statement as we speak.
Look at Finn Balor making his moves.
He's too busy bragging and boasting than battling in this matchup.
Wow, he's still down after that. You know, Dean Ambrose looks a little unhinged, and I won't argue that. But when you see Ambrose dismantle his opponent, Sister Abigail.
Oh, man, there's the finisher.
And he goes for the cover.
This is it. And Finn Balor is your winner.
Here are your winners, Dean Ambrose and Finn Balor, the family.
What an amazing effort put forth by all these competitors here tonight.
Tornado tag team matches can be tricky, Michael, but these two guys made it look easy.
And there's no denying that the Santa Clara crowd clearly liked what they just saw. Would you listen to them?